How to change iPhone to night mode. Hi everyone, welcome back. First and foremost, you can tell that an iPhone is on light mode when the screen is white, like these ones. Let's try to change this iPhone to night mode. Let's open Settings. From the Settings, find and select Display and Brightness. On the next page are different options regarding the appearance of the iPhone. Let's change light to dark. And there you have it. You are now on night mode. Changing the appearance of your iPhone can actually also be set up to happen automatically. Just select Options, and that should bring you to a page where you can customize the schedule according to your preference. It's just like this. And going back, you should also see other options that you can customize on the appearance of your iPhone. But since this video is focused on changing the iPhone to night mode, let me show you another way to do that. Let's pull up our Control Manager. Below the record button is the option to change your iPhone from light mode to dark mode. Just simply tap it and watch the indicator above that you are now on dark mode. And now you can see my Notes app and Calendar app change from white background to black background. This is your indicator that you successfully changed your iPhone from light mode to night mode. And that's how easy it is to do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and maybe leave a comment as well. See ya!